Hello, welcome to this demo of tool chains in Bluemix. My name is Johan.rodin and I work as a technical sales out of Sweden. Tool chains are something part of Bluemix, and in this demo I will show you a set of tools, integrations to support development, deploy and operation. So let's go directly into the demo. This is Bluemix Dashboard. A chain can be created from a template, so I go into DevOps and I select Tool Chains, and from the plus sign in the right corner I can click and select to create from a couple of templates predefined, like a simple Cloud Foundry tool chain, simple container tool chain and a few others. But I already created one tool chain that I would like to demo today. This is my tool chain. As you can see on this screen, it shows the tool integrations. So it's ranging from thinking phase, coding, deliver, managing and the culture. And each of the phases can have multiple tools designed. The thinking behind this is that the code can be in, for example, a Git repository. We will deliver the code through the different stages with a delivery pipeline. We will follow up on the manage and operation side with some tool, and adding to that we will have a culture among our development and operation staff, for example in this case a Slack channel. So let's see if we dive into one of the delivery pipelines I have created. Here you can see the actual stages from taking the code from build, development and test and production stages. So this pipeline is kicked off by a commit in the Git repository. It will build the code, do some unit tests, and if this succeeds it will go into the dev phase, deploy this application to the development environment, do some functional tests and display the app. And in this case this is the route for the app: dev catalog API toolchain demo and so on. I can click on that to access the actual running app. If this stage succeeds I can go into the test phase. This is an automatic transition into the test phase, and I will do the deployment in a test environment. I will apply some source labs tests, and if that succeeds I will have a test version of my application running in another space and organization perhaps. If that is okay, I can go into the production stage and deploy my application without hurting the running application. I can update it on the fly in production without losing any connections. So as you can see from this pipeline I added some tests, so let's dive into one of the tests and see the result of this. So this actual test phase is based on the source labs test, a Mocha test in the bottom, and you can always access the past test runs and see the log. So if you scroll down in this log you can see at the bottom that we have the actual test run of this. It's running on my Chrome web browser. It has a catalog and it's a passing one test without errors. If I'd like to drill down into actual test what happens, I can go to the test tab and see that I have one test that has something to do with have correct title, so it's testing just one single piece in this case, and it will show all the artifacts used in the artifacts tab. Okay, let's conclude this short demo of the tool chain on Bluemix. So what we've seen today is how I can access my tool chain in the Bluemix user interface through the DevOps section. I can set up any tool integration I like in any category. I can run this as part of the Bluemix deployment process, and I can have the follow-up and test tools I like to have. So that concludes this short demo. Thank you for listening.